Today we'll be making a camouflage set of cupcakes using these ingredients.
As displayed here.
We're starting on our first cake mix. It's going to be a white cake mix. We're also doing a devil's food cake, which will be then dyed to add the various colors of the camouflage. The cake mixes are simple, hill country, out of the box, but the real expertise will come in the form of our frosting, which we will show shortly. What's the secret ingredient?
It's a secret.
Oh, it's a secret. Oh, okay.
The secret to this entire operation is your army bun. It's got to be in regulation.
So we have our white batter made up, and we're separating it into bowls to be colored.
All right, right now we are mixing the colors. We've got green right here that Allegra's making. Got brown that we just made, a cream color, and black. And we're also...
Okay, so for our frosting, we're doing a homemade buttercream frosting using a pound of sugar, vanilla extract, almond extract, Crisco, and various other ingredients.
Right now we are mixing the icing. We've got Crisco and powdered sugar and a couple of secret ingredients in here. Alright, here we have our icing, and we have our green, our cream, our black, and our brown to make the camo icing to go with the camo cupcakes. And this is the result of our camo cupcakes.